Hey guys, this is Maria from ShowaySocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to edit a guide after sharing it on Instagram. If you want to change something in your guide after posting it on Instagram, keep in mind that you have such an opportunity. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to your Instagram profile page and click on the booklet icon that is under the story highlights. After that, hit a guide that you want to edit. Once a guide opens, press on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Select the Edit Guide option from the pop-up menu. Now you can change whatever you want in your guide. Rewrite text, upload a new guide's cover image, or insert new posts. When you finish editing a guide, tap Done in the top right corner. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to edit a guide after sharing it on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at ShowaySocial.com.